The tradition of the church hat emerged in the early 20th century. Many black and mixed-race Jamaican women were old-fashioned and religious, so Sunday church services provided an outlet for family modesty and reverence, and the church hats and fascinator played a part in creating a bold and beautiful complement to the Jamaican women church outfits. The dress hats, which are beautifully fabricated and extravagantly decorated, have evolved into an art form and an important cultural symbol. For early Jamaicans, Sunday and Saturday service was not only a sanctuary of faith and salvation in an uncertain world, but it was also one of the few places where they were allowed to hold important positions of fellowship and leadership. Sunday was thus a day of worship and celebration for many families. Jamaican women traded in their drab aprons and knotted head wraps for brightly colored dresses and cotton silk meshed or straw hats gaily decorated with fresh flowers, ribbons and feathers. These happy-fetching hats were designed to catch heaven's eye in hopes God would hear their prayers. In addition to feel pride and worship with confidence, the hats remind the wearers to carry themselves like queens. While many church-going Jamaican women own at least one or two favorite hats, it is not uncommon for traditional hat wearers to have one that flawlessly matches each carefully tailored church dress. Culturally, church hats became a strong symbol of the Jamaican women lower and middle income earners. The elders, middle-aged and young Jamaican women vigorously embrace the fashionable hat church custom. They wear with head held high,